Mengibar produced this ATEX-rated monoblock that has been fully tested and approved to be safe to operate in explosive atmospheres. The solution included a filling, a wick assembly, and a capper module with automatic fitting of packs, glass bottles, and wick assembly. The glass containers are efficiently handled using packs, which were entirely designed by Mengibar. The pack solution also included a pack recirculation system customized specifically for this application. The filling module comes with 24 station and highly accurate maintenance-free pistons. The wick assembly and capping module each include 18 stations, all integrated into the same monoblock base for a compact design. Mengibar has also incorporated a reliable inspection rejection diverting system capable of processing 400 units per minute. In the end, the overall result was a 33% increase in the line output while maintaining the highest filling accuracy available in the market and achieving the highest OE never seen before.